No. Stand this way.
Come on, caca.
Stop. Welcome.
Come on, poop.
Don't stop it.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back to Phoenix's channel.
Don't say Spider-Man. Say Spider-Man to my channel.
Oh, sorry. Welcome back to Spider-Man's channel, aka Phoenix.
Spider-Man.
Okay, Spider-Man. So today, we decided that we're gonna make cupcakes. Our plan is that we're going to bake some spooky cupcakes. Then we're gonna boo all of our friends and neighbors. If you don't know what booing is, it's when you leave treats on someone's doorstep and then you knock or ring the doorbell and then you run away so they don't know who it is and then they have to guess. Are you ready, Spider-Man Jack Skellington?
Yeah.
Phoenix picked chocolate funfetti cake mix.
I have knives.
We have some knives.
And then some eyeballs.
Yeah, we have some eyeballs. We have some blood. Hold it up.
Blood.
Some blood.
Some blood. Yeah, cup. Holders.
Yep, cupcake holders. It says trick or treat.
And I have icing.
We got icing. Then we got some cups and some little baggies that have a little tag that says trick or treat. This is what we're going to put the cupcakes in when we leave them on the front porch.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, let's put the mix in there. Let's get some scissors.
Put some butter in it.
Pour the mix in the bowl. Oh, careful.
Uh-oh.
So put that in the trash. Okay, we have a cup of water. Now, can you pour some oil?
Yeah.
Can we pour it in? Good job.
Let's do.
We gotta crack some eggs first.
Okay. Let's crack the eggs.
Careful. Oh my gosh, Phoenix! Phoenix, you got eggshells in there. Let's mix it all together. Pull this forward. Good job. Coming along. I think it's probably ready. Turn it off. Other way. Good job.
Ew.
Ew, it doesn't look good? How's it taste?
Good. That's a big one.
You want to do a big one? Okay. got a mess to clean up while I wait.
Let's go to the break.
Take a break, bud.
No.
Stop it, guys! Stop it! Ready? Get him, dog. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
So, the cupcakes came out. How do they look?
Got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Almost. There are, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and we have the decorations. We have some blood and we have some icing. And we're gonna get started. Are you ready to ice your cupcakes?
Yeah!
What kind of cupcake are you gonna do?
That one. Big one.
You're gonna do the big one?
Yeah. I want nice, please. I want
Let's
nice.
start with some icing.
I want the orange. Lick it. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, are you? I want to put blood on my mouth.
Okay.
Ew.
Let me see.
Good.
It's good?
Now I'm to the cupcake.
So now I'm taking the cupcake little cups and I'm sticking the cupcakes in them.
That's good. That's good. I need a paper towel.
Alright, so we just finished and we got everything ready. Ones are for me and Todd. And the rest of them kind of look like this. So I'm going to spare our friends and family. This one is Phoenix's big cupcake. It is massive. He's so funny.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And turn on your post notifications so you can get updated every single time we post a video.
Bye!
Say it nice. Say bye.